guys, it's Scott from Warrington Glen, and today I'm going to show you how to unclog that piece of crap toilet that you got with your expensive luxury home. Now the first thing you might want to do is find a tutorial that explains how to properly remove a toilet. I'll leave a link below for the one that I use myself. Then you're going to want to remove the toilet and move it to a safe location. Next, you're going to want to get a sledgehammer or a pickaxe like this to remove the clog. Now watch closely as I demonstrate how to remove the clog. I think I got it. Next, you're going to want to go down to Lowe's and buy a real f***ing toilet. And if you want, you can watch the link below to learn how to install it. Woo-wee! Now that's luxury. Hey, thanks for watching. Tune in next time and I'll show you what you can do with all the money you wasted on a useless rough-in for your basement bathroom. Like and subscribe.